Hey everyone, so today we're gonna review how to repair some rotted cross members for a deck. So to get started, I took off the existing light fixture and started removing some of the screws which are holding that 2x8 from the top. Then I ran a Sawzall with a metal blade between that and the other board just to break some of the nails, and then I went with my circular saw to run a few cuts vertically to remove a section of the board just so I can get a sense of how it's attached. A lot of prying and back and forth, but that's the toughest one to get started. Next, on the right hand side, I ran a Mitre at 45 degrees with my circular saw because this piece of wood went pretty deep into the wall, so I wouldn't be able to remove the whole thing. So what I wanted to do was Mitre 45 with a fresh piece so that once you paint it, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So here I'm using some wedges to pry the piece out and using my Sawzall to cut out any residual nails that are left and screws to be able to remove this board. So I'm going to do this on this side and then jump over to the other side to do more of the same. On the other side, the end of it is exposed, so a lot easier to attach on the left-hand side. So we're getting this final piece out here, and next we're going to move over to mitering the new pressure-treated 2x8. And here I wanted to clean up the edge on the right-hand side just to make it a little more vertical. I just found it was not perfectly centered. I'm attaching some support blocks underneath the existing board just to make my life a little easier when I'm mounting this by myself. And here I'm transferring the entire full length and cutting off the piece. And as you see here, I can kind of use those supports I attached at the tail end here to wedge the board in. It's not in the video, but I also attached some wood glue on both ends there, just on the miter. And I'm using some wood clamps here just to attach the boards very tightly. I sanded this miter joint and then add some wood filler to fill any of the small gaps that are left. Afterwards, I ran some 2-inch screws from the back side to attach the two boards together, and then here I'm focusing on reattaching, or rather attaching, a new motion sensing light on top of the new deck board. Afterwards, we're going to do some caulking, and we're almost across the finish line. So when you're dealing with pressure treated wood, you want to give it some time to kind of dry out so that it can take paint. So the owner here is going to wait a few months, and then they're going to throw a coat of paint. So it's going to be next to impossible to tell that this board was ever rotted out. So hopefully that was helpful. If any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Cheers.